here, and today, do you remember when we got Harriet, Hustle, my other Spirit Halloween animatronic that I got today? Well, we were supposed to do it on the 26th or the 1st, but we're gonna hang it on the porch on the 26th or October 1st, or the 1st of October. So today we're gonna set it up in the garage. We're gonna set it up in the garage. Yeah. You don't know how heavy she is, and you guys can find her at Spirit Halloween. You guys can find her at Spirit Halloween. Like literally, you can find her at Spirit Halloween. Like.
Sorry, I didn't know you wanted to do that with your furniture.
Yeah, guys. We're gonna set her up. Let me show you her quick. Let me read the story to you quick. Wait, let me see. Wait. Harriet is always hanging around, waiting for her next victim. March. She learned all her skills for clowning and coding from her dear old dad, Henry. But when Mom split with the ringmaster, times got tough, and her talent as a knife thrower took on a whole new side hustler. Now she lifts wallets while Dad has you distracted. Just don't accuse either of cheating. You will end up dealing the next hand 6 feet under. And there's a battery adapter, a volume control, external speaker jack. You need to. And these you need to get these separately or online. You can get these online or sold separately.
No, they have one
Cannot show you. And Henry Hustle got her head swivel side to side. She swings back and forth. Creepy laughing sound effects. Yeah, guys, that's really cool. You can find these at Spirit Halloween, like I said. Okay, guys, we're just getting her out of the box. Look at her. Guys, look at her. She looks so creepy with the knife in her mouth. Here's the big shoe. I don't know what this is, but we're going to need that. Oh. Hold on, guys. Just give me a second. Look at the porch. Oh my. We got. Yep. Just hold on. So here she is. We just need to take a little bit more stuff out. Here's the clothes. Here's the clothes. Clown. And I don't know what these are, but we need those.
Oh yeah, you need those. Okay, so here's our parts list.
Oops. We got this thingy. And we got another box with the adapter. So we'll see you when this thing is set up. Okay, guys, so she is set up. We did it. Guys. We built, what was her name again? That's her. Oh my God, guys. It's working. Oh my God, guys. Okay, guys, like this video in 3, 2, 1. I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you later, guys. Bye.